So I went to my Walmart last week. I wanted to pick up a couple of things. I told you that after my video, I most likely will go because I already had on makeup. So I went and nothing. So I just started looking around to see what other Walmarts had it, and Friday I had to go pick up my son's medicines in Alvin, and they had it, but it must have been put out, it probably was there all week because like half the lip colors were gone. So and I was in a rush because I had to get my son's meds, and I had to take my daughter to her appointment, and then I had to go to my appointment. And that instead of taking the highway, I said, let me just take the street. And I don't understand why they do this, but the dang train tracks, there was something wrong, and the sticks were down. There was no train. There was absolutely no train, and the sticks were down. And so after I wasted 20 minutes of my life that I'll never get back, I had to go all the way around. That messed me up, and I went to go get my son's meds, and they told me to come back. So I said, let me go to the Walmart out there because I heard that they had it. And like I said, they had it because the only two things that Ulta did not have that I know of, because the only thing that's really been advertised is, the eyeshadow and the lip colors. Like I said, half the lip colors, a couple of the colors were wiped out already. I really would have liked to take a good look at them, but I was in a hurry. But what I wanted was Ulta did not have my Lucky Charm and Sundays, and so I went for that. And I just got these two. So I'm waiting for my entire order to come in so I could go through it, see which look I want to do. I think I'm going to do one look with the 5 pans and then one look with the 10 pans. So I found it there. We've been getting a lot of, like, during the holidays, we've been getting a lot of, like, I guess internet news that the post office was not, it was going to be severely delayed, and surprisingly I got all my packages on time for the holidays, but for some reason my Ulta package is like, it just said it left Chicago. That was 3 days ago. So it should have arrived here by now, and it hasn't. And then you saw my Christmas video that I got some stuff from the Berry Scented collection from BYS in Australia. I wanted the entire collection. The nail polishes were discontinued a long time ago. And one of the eyeshadow palettes was discontinued, but I found it on eBay. And so I wanted to get the rest of it. They have blushes, highlighters, lip colors, glitters. And so I've been trying not to spend a lot of money on makeup. So I did, less than $100. I think I did, for November, I think all I got was like, it was like $60 or something. And so I just said, I'm going to do it. I didn't spend a lot of money on makeup this time, so I did it, and I ordered that. And that cleared customs in Australia, and for the past 4 days, it's been saying waiting to, it's awaiting the plane, the airplane, to bring it into the States, and that's been going on for 4 days. So it's very frustrating just seeing that nothing's happening for 3 or 4 days. So when I get that, I'll be showing you, all of that. Oh, but Physicians Formula does have their new stuff on the website. They have the putty primer. I had a putty type primer, and it made me look horrible. I had like a little trial size. I think I used it for it lasted me maybe a week. It was awful. I'll never do that again. So when it's out for something like that, what I like is to do it on my eyes because it helps with the wrinkles. So that's what I'll probably use that for. But then they have the facial mist. They had a butter mascara. They have, stuff like that. So All of that is on the website. So I'll put that order in. My PayPal should be turning over any day now, and I'm going to put an order in for that. Because like I said, I'm just really trying to limit the makeup. I just don't want to spend a lot of money. There's other things that, I feel that we could use the money for. So I'm just waiting. I don't like playing the waiting game because things sell out when you play the waiting game. But since it's their core line, I'm hoping that it doesn't. And like I said, my PayPal should turn over any day now. So I will, try and get, I will get that as soon as it turns over. I'll put in that order. Yeah, I really would love the Barbie collection from BYS. It's really nice. However, when I wouldn't get the entire thing, but I was like, let me see how much this comes up to when I put it in my cart. And it came up to over $100. I was like, nah, PayPal does not let me use my PayPal credit for that. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. But anyway, so like I said, I think that's it. My hair, I didn't have enough green. I knew I didn't have enough green. So I mixed it with, conditioner. And it was still looking really blue to me. So I added some more of the lime green to it. I don't know if it's because I did the conditioner method, but now my hair is like a ombre of black, green, and like a limey type of green. My hair is growing. I'm just afraid. I'm just really waiting to re-dye it. I have, like I said, I have a magenta, cobalt, and a purple that I want to put in my hair, and I'm going to need to bleach all this out. But I'm really trying to hold off till the spring. So yeah, I'm liking it. And it takes to the white. You could tell I put it on the front because I always miss that, and there's always white, and now I have like a green line. But yeah, just to me, it's kind of like an ombre effect, and I like it. And yeah, so I don't know if it's because I mixed it with the lime, but this is what I got, and I left it in all day. Put it in the conditioner, so I have enough for my whole hair. Left it in all day, and yeah. So yeah, my nails are starting to grow too, and so that has me excited, and it's because my coconut oil has solidified, so I really got to dig my fingers in there to get it out for my hair, and that is when my nails grow. That's going to be short-lived. It was warm last week. I was like upset. I think we had to put on the air conditioner once or twice, and now it was freezing this week. It's supposed to start warming up again tomorrow, but this weather's been crazy. So it's solidified, and my nails are starting to grow again. Especially this one that broke all the way down here. So yeah, look, this one chipped like it wasn't chipped last night. Anyway, so I'll see you next week. Hopefully with my Wet n Wild, maybe with my BYS Berry collection. So yeah, I love you. Take care. Mwah. Bye.